Hello, everybody! Happy Wednesday to everybody, to one and all, wherever you are in the part of the world. Magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi sa ating mga kababayang sa Pilipinas. Ako po si Mary Ann Tibayan, the owner of this business page that you're watching with right now. And I'm so happy for tonight. Another interview, one of my business partners. Um, I-welcome ko siya. So I'm really, really excited and hope you stay tuned and para po marinig niyo po yung kanyang journey sa online business. So, you know what, hindi ko na po patatagalin and here she is adding to the stage, Sis Grace. Hello, Sis
Hi,
Grace!
sis Marianne. Thank you so much for having me here tonight. I'm a little bit nervous. This is my first time live interview by you. It is my pleasure to be here right now, interviewed by you. And yeah, I'm so happy. Um,
Yay! I'm so
thank
happy to,
you.
Sis Gray. Basta lang tayo. Chill-chill lang,
Yeah,
chit-chat lang tayo. Pero it's at ano nga parang real people, real talk.
right.
So,
Yeah,
yung isi-share natin is yung journey natin. So,
right.
I would like to ask you to introduce yourself and at the same time, i-insert ko na rin ang ating first question of the day. Kasi medyo intertwined siya. So,
Yeah.
who is Sis Grace and what inspired you to start an online business while still working as a caregiver? I know you're a caregiver, as you said, but you can just tell them your story.
Right.
Okay?
Yeah. Okay. Before anything else, let me introduce myself to you first. For those who doesn't know me yet, I am Mary Grace Witzel, originally from Philippines and living in Ontario, Canada for 17 years. And I'm married, no kids, and working as a caregiver and a housekeeper. What inspired me to get into this business? I would say my mentor Rose and my coach Pinky, who happened to be my friends and used to be my roommates for several years when I first came here in Canada. Watching them um, achieving their dreams from this business inspired me to take this business seriously. Because to be honest with you guys, I've been here in this business for 6 years, but I didn't took it seriously. I because of my skepticism and my fears. So I stepped back and sat behind the fence for 6 years, but for that long period of time, watching them achieving their dreams until they became job quitters. And I came to the point of saying that, you know what, it's now or never. I have to take this seriously. So that's why I'm here, starting to get positive results and enjoying my journey. Yeah. So yeah, I am like I pat my back for being here right now.
Yes,
Yeah.
I know. I just saw your post. Ika nga yung real post mo. I just saw it and I'm like so happy for you, Sis Grace. And you've
Yeah.
got
Thank you.
blessings and more blessings to come, ika nga, right?
Oh,
So
yeah, sorry. We
yes,
manifest that. Yeah. We will for sure.
yes, for sure, yan. So, just a little tidbit. So, Sis Grace has said na who inspired her to actually go to say yes to this business is her mentor, Sis Rose, and her coach, Sis Pinky. And we are actually have the same, right? So, Coach Pinky and Sis Rose, Mentor Rose, is actually a friend of mine as well. Can you believe
Yeah.
it's a small
Right.
world,
I know. Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
It's a small world. So, I've been with friends with these two lovely ladies for a long time, and I think yesterday we talked, no, Sis Grace. I think I went to your apartment pa nga, pero I think you weren't there, no, at that.
Oh, yeah. It so happened that I wasn't there and I was not able to see you there.
Yeah, like
But yeah,
years
it's
ago.
yeah, it's a small world.
It is a small
Yeah,
word, so nakakatawa. And then now, see, look at us. We're business
I know,
partner.
right? We're business
Social.
partners. Yeah, we're entrepreneurs and
Yes.
global, right?
Mm-hmm,
Uh,
mm-hmm.
yeah,
Global, for
yeah,
sure.
and
Yeah, yeah. So
yeah,
so like what you said, you're no, you're still doing you're still a caregiver, housekeeper, actually Jill of all trades, right?
yeah,
Like
a
you
Jill of all
told
trades.
me,
Yeah,
right? And then you're an online business owner.
yeah.
So just interjecting, Sis Grace, how do you tend to balance your full-time role with running your business part-time?
Yeah, to be honest, I don't really have that struggles balancing my full-time roles or my full-time jobs, uh, should I say, and my business because this business is very flexible. I can do this anytime, anywhere I want, and in fact, I am doing this while I am at work. I listen to the mastermind every Tuesdays and Wednesdays at work because I won't be able to. More often than not, I just listen to the mastermind during the day at work because I can't catch the live streaming, right, because of my time. So I do it during the day while working, while grinding. So yeah, and I always determine my priorities and try to allocate specific time for my business too. Like when I get home, I have dinner and then I have shower. After that, I grab my laptop and stretch my legs on my bed or sit on my computer table and do things with my business and until I get tired and go to sleep. So it doesn't really like how to say that yung hindi ako suffer sa time
Yes,
managing.
yes.
Because, yeah, it's very flexible.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. And not to mention, no, Sis Grace, anything is in your phone right now.
Exactly. We have our phone 24/7. So anytime we can do it. Like even on the train, on the bus, or wherever I am, I reply messages and answer inquiries. So it's very flexible, very uh
Doable.
doable and easy to manage. Yeah.
That is very true. So
Yeah.
Sis Grace, I do also have a full-time job, and she is right. It's just taking in consideration what you
Yeah.
need to do for the rest of the day and just sticking to your timetable, ika nga, to your
Exactly.
planning of the day, right? So
Yeah.
and then and it's not that hard because this is an online business. It's not like, you have a storefront, like you have a coffee shop, no, that
Right.
needs
Yeah.
people to be there. No, it's not.
Physical. Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
this is I have my own business. His Grace has her own business. And in her business, siya lang, kayang-kaya na, kahit siya lang, right? It's not
Right.
like your traditional business. So it's very flexible. She is definitely right. It's flexible
Yeah.
and doable, right? Right?
Doable. Yeah.
So
It's
yeah. So with that being said, no, I know there's a lot of people who are still skeptical. Oh, totoo ba yan? Kaya ko ba yan? Mga ganun. Like for me, I was skeptical at first too. Like, am I able
oh,
to do it? Am I able to um post my life in social media, right? But for you on your journey, what advice would you give to people who are still unsure about starting an online business?
yeah. My honest advice, based on my own experience, for those people out there who are looking for others stream of income, who are tired of 9 to 5 grind and looking for financial stability and time freedom, this is the right business for you guys. And this is for ordinary people like us and you, right? And yeah, we halos lahat tayo dito diyan nanggaling sa takot at pag-aalinlangan. Yung skepticism and fears na yan, wala tayong mararating diyan. We have to fight for that. We have to take action. You know, like don't let that fears and skepticism hold you back because wala kayong pupuntahan diyan. So, diyan ako nanggaling yung fears. That's why it took me 6 years to take this seriously because of that fears and skepticism. And on top of that, my husband was really worse like than me. Uh, um, because of his discouragement, I stepped back. Honestly, this is my third time to hop on, but the first time I have to step back because of the skepticism, the fears, and then the second time I hop on again. Then I step back and sat behind the fence. Again, that's why it took me 6 years. It's all because of that fears and skepticism. But when I said to myself, this is now or never, when I damaged my knee, and with that pandemic hit, I said to myself, you know what? This is now or never. I have to do this. I have to take this seriously. There's I have nothing to lose if I try this. And what else should I say? I lost of my,
Oh,
you know,
it's okay lang si say parang ano
yeah,
right there are like what she said ang kanyang hobby are
yeah,
skepticism
skeptical.
raised before, and then ngayon skeptic din ang hobby niya. Pero you know what, my viewers and my friends out there who are watching, her husband right now are like he is really supportive of her, and
Oh
like
yeah,
when I told you the reel that she posted that they received their blessing,
yeah,
si Habi pa ang kasama niyang pumunta sa mailbox para makakuha ang mailbox blessing, di ba? Very nice.
right. I know. I know that's why like last night it was late because he came home late, so he asked me, "You want to go check the mailbox?" because he knows that I was expecting for something. And okay, let's go. It was a little bit chilly because it was like almost, I think, 11 o'clock at night, almost. So we walked to the mailbox and we got that blessing. And yeah, so more advice for those people who wants to be on this online businesses. You know, guys, global economic downfall is raging nowadays, right? And
Yes.
it's not gonna get better. We all know that. And having financial stability is a way of surviving from that global economic downfall. And having said that, venturing into online businesses is a way of achieving that financial stability and time freedom, because once you get in this business, it is given. Your success is given as long as you don't quit and you keep going and work on your business. You will never go where like you were. What I was supposed to
You
say
will
is
you
you
as long as
will,
you push through.
yeah, you push through and keep going. You have nowhere to go but succeed,
That's
right?
true.
There's
Yes.
only one destination here.
Yes,
So we all go
100%.
there. Like we all go there. And with the amazing community that we have here, because everybody helps everybody.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? Like this is one thing I like about, because you can ask questions and ask help from anyone, even you don't know them, and get help. So you will never feel alone in this business, and you will never be left behind, because everybody will climb on the ladder for success, right? That's one thing I like about this. So
Yes.
yeah, so that's all I can say. I think that's the best advice I could give you guys. And take action, grow your confidence here. If you think if you're unsure of this about this business, take it like a puzzle that to figure out, right?
Mm-hmm.
Puzzle to figure out, not don't treat it don't take it like a threat to fail. Instead, like a puzzle for you to figure out how to make it as a whole again. You know what I mean?
Yes,
Like,
yes,
yeah, it
for
is.
sure.
Yeah, it's. I love this. I'm happy and I'm proud that I was able to conquer that fears and skepticism and jump into this business fully and seriously.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
the thing is, the one that I that it just reminded me of something I read somewhere that is really perfect on what you said, Sis Grace. Is like face it with fear.
yeah,
'Cause, yeah, face
exactly.
it. Face it. I know you're afraid, but face it. So you
Yeah.
know what, Sis Grace, I wanna just make a huge shout out for
Yeah.
our Coach Pinky,
Oh,
who
hi,
is
Coach
watching
Pinky.
right now.
Thanks for the help.
Hello, lady, sabi niya. And then,
Uh,
of course, she said, watching live from Edmonton,
Edmonton.
Canada. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then, and this is what she said. Great advice, the Grace. We'll never know if something is for us until we try. And
Absolutely.
true, do it afraid. Thank you very
Yeah,
much, Coach
absolutely.
Pinky.
Thank you, Coach Pinky. Yeah,
Yeah, meron pa
that
siyang last na pahabol.
yeah.
Hello, hello.
You
So proud of you both daw.
thank you and congratulations for your milestone too, like a huge
Yes. Oh,
milestone.
yes.
Yeah,
Tama.
and
Yes.
you know, guys, it's easy to reach our goals and our dreams here in this business as long as you don't you just keep pushing and your wise and your determination to achieve your dreams is really strong. You can, it's given you will be successful in this business. Yeah,
Yes.
I
100%.
honestly, I think I posted it yesterday or the other day that I was a little bit emotional. Yeah, that was yesterday because I never thought like I would have that kind of potential to make it in this business because I know I was not good in computer. I always say that. I always emphasize that fact that I'm not good in computer. But when I got here, because of our amazing
Training.
uh, training system, I was, and with the help, of course, with the help of our mentor and our coach, it's unlimited help that we need
Yes.
if we want to anytime.
Yes.
So
Anytime.
yeah, I was able to get over that, and I'm so happy that yeah, and that's why I said to myself, I am proud of you, Grace.
Yes.
Yeah,
Pat in the
yeah,
back.
yeah, yeah.
100% yan. And see, look at you. You're
I
doing
know, right?
interviews now and doing go lives, and I've watched you doing reels, and your posting is really great. Remember I told you yesterday
Yeah.
how good your captions are. Your posts are
Oh,
really great.
thank you.
It's very informative, ika nga. So
Yeah.
there, thank you very much, Ate Grace, for
Thank you
gracing
so much.
us with your journey, and hopefully somebody out there would be able to resonate with your journey, and
Yeah,
they
for
would
sure.
think, you know what, if Sis Grace can do it, maybe I can too, right?
Of course,
And
yeah.
we will see the big potential of this business. Um, so whoever is out there who's watching with us, if you are if you have any inquiries, you can message Sis Grace or me, whoever your following is, and then we will answer as the best as we can. And if you
Yeah,
are really curious about and you want to do your due diligence in this business that we keep on saying, register your name and your email address to our websites. It's posted on
right.
our business page. And
Yeah,
you can watch the webinar and check it out, right?
right.
Maybe this is something for you, like what Sis Grace has been saying. So, any last words, Sis Grace, just in case?
Yeah, the last word, step out of your comfort zone, guys. Take action. I know for sure lots of you was able to resonate our stories here. It's just that you are scared to take the first step. But you know why? You know what? Conquer your fears.
Yes.
Okay, that's the only key for you to get onto this business. Conquer your first. That's it. So hopefully tonight you will be able to think about and consider of trying this online business. This is the only way we can survive from that global economic downfall, right?
That is true. That
Yeah,
is true. So, like what Sis Grace has been saying for the whole time we're live right now, check it out. We can
right.
say whatever we want to say, but the decision, sorry, the
Decision.
decision is still yours. And of course,
Exactly.
like any other traditional business, check it out first and do your due diligence,
Due
and
diligence, yeah.
for you to actually say, you know what? The potential that Sis Mary Ann and Sis Grace has been saying, it is true. And you know
It
what?
is, yeah.
Okay, I'll check it out and I'll be
Yeah.
a business owner, right? Anyway,
Yeah.
so thank you again, Sis Grace, and
Thank you
we'll
so much,
chat
Sis
again.
Marianne.
We'll chat again, no, next time
Oh yeah,
naman.
for sure.
Ano,
Yeah, that's
invite
for sure.
natin yung iba nating mga ka-group dito, no?
Yes.
Right?
Yes,
Right?
absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah, so whoever's gonna watch us tonight on replay, just comment down below on where you're watching us from, and
Yeah.
hope you had a great
Great night.
Wednesday.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye,
you so much, Sis
everybody.
Marianne. Bye, everybody. Have a great night. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are tuning from. Thank you for listening to us and watching us. Okay, thank you, Sis Marianne, for having me.
Bye.
Yeah, I made it.
Yes. Bye.
Okay, bye.